Hello kids, we are starting a new book today which is Effective English, a textbook of English Reader Class 2. Let's begin this book. This is chapter number 1, Clever Birbal. Okay? Means Samajhdar Birbal. Okay? Now first they have given reading skill. Let's just read this. Birbal was a wise man. He was the wise minister of the king Akbar. He solved difficult problems very easily. One day a merchant's house was robbed. He called Birbal for searching the thief. तो जो बीरबल थे वो एक बहुत वाइस मैन यानी कि समझदार व्यक्ति थे एंड वो वाइस मिनिस्टर थे किंग अकबर के. ओके एंड वो काफ़ी सारे डिफ़िकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी होती थी उनको ईजिली सॉल्व कर देते थे. एंड एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक मर्चेंट यानी कि एक व्यापारी के घर में रॉब यानी कि चोरी हो गई. तो उसने बीरबल को बुलाया कि वो थीफ यानी कि चोर को पकड़ ले. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट रीड दिस स्टोरी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द मर्चेंट. ओके, so what he is saying, oh god, my house is robbed, let me call Birbal. तो कहता है, हे भगवान मेरा घर लुट गया, मैं बीरबल को बुलाता हूँ. बीरबल ये सारी चीज़ों को चोर का पता लगाएगा कि किसने चोरी की है. ओके, then what happened? Now Birbal came here. This is Birbal and this is the merchant. Now merchant said, hello sir Birbal, please come in, I am robbed last night, please help me to catch the thief. तो वो हेलो कहता है, ग्रीट करता है एंड बोलता है कि प्लीज़ कम इन, अंदर आ जाओ एंड मेरे घर में लास्ट नाइट चोरी हो गई एंड मुझे थीफ को पकड़ने के लिए हेल्प करो. ओके, नाउ व्हाट बीरबल सेज, आई विल डू माई बेस्ट, कैन यू कॉल ऑल योर सर्वेंट्स. वो बोलते हैं कि मैं अपने पूरी तरीके से कोशिश करूंगा. क्या आप अपने सर्वेंट्स को बुला सकते हो? सर्वेंट्स यानी कि नौकर. ओके, नाउ द मर्चेंट कॉल्स ऑल द सर्वेंट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ बीरबल. सो हियर यू कैन सी दीज आर द सर्वेंट्स एंड दिस इज द बीरबल. बीरबल के सामने मर्चेंट ने सारे सर्वेंट्स को बुला दिया था. ओके, नाउ वन सर्वेंट इज सेइंग दैट वी हैव नॉट स्टोलन एनीथिंग. वो कहते हैं हमने कोई चीज चोरी नहीं की है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट, लेट्स जस्ट रीड इट. बीरबल हिट्स एन आइडिया एंड गिव्स अ स्टिक टू एवरी सर्वेंट. अब बीरबल के दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. ओके, एंड उसने हर एक सर्वेंट को एक स्टिक दे दी यानी कि एक छड़ी दे दी. ओके, now he says tomorrow the thief's stick will be longer by 2 inches, let us assemble here at the same time tomorrow. तो बीरबल कहता है कि कल हम मिलेंगे यहाँ पर. कल जो है जो थीफ होगा उसकी स्टिक 2 इंचेस से बढ़ जाएगी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट, लेट्स जस्ट रीड दिस वन. द नेक्स्ट डे, दिस इज योर थीफ सर, ही इज गिल्टी, ही हैज रॉब्ड योर वेल्थ. नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ, बीरबल पता लगा लेता है कि ये चोर है, दिस पर्सन. तो कहता है ये आपका चोर है सर, मर्चेंट को कहता है, एंड ये गिल्टी है यानी कि कसूरवार है एंड इसने ही चोरी की है, जो भी आपका धन चोरी की है. ओके, नाउ मर्चेंट आस्क्ड, हाउ डिड यू कैच द थीफ सर, कि आपने ये चोर को पकड़ा कैसे आखिरकार. मर्चेंट ने पूछा. नाउ let's see कैसे पकड़ा. The thief cut his stick short by 2 inches in the night, fearing that his stick will be longer in the morning, and so it was easy to catch him. The merchant praised the special skill of Birbal. अब thief ने क्या किया था, रात में 2 inches कट कर लिया था स्टिक को. उसे डर था कि वो 2 inches ग्रो कर जाएगी. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ, बीरबल को पता चल गया एंड उसने कैच कर लिया थीफ को एंड मर्चेंट ने प्रेज किया जो स्किल है बीरबल की उसको. ओके, दिस इज द स्टोरी, वी हैव रेड दिस. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट लुक एट सम वर्ड मीनिंग्स. ओके, वर्ड मीनिंग, असेंबल, कम टुगेदर यानी कि साथ में आना. रॉब, टू स्टील, चोरी करना. स्किल, स्पेशल एबिलिटी टू डू समथिंग, कुछ भी करने के लिए एक एबिलिटी, एक काम करने की एबिलिटी. कोई भी special. Okay. Now guilty, someone who has done something wrong. Guilty वो होता है जिसने कुछ गलत किया हो. Okay. Now self-practice, NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 speaking skill. Answer the following questions orally. Okay. Question 1, who was Birbal and what was their speciality? The answer is Birbal was a wise man and he is the vice minister of the King Akbar, and the ability of Birbal is to solve difficult problem easily. Okay. Then question 2, what was Birbal's post in Akbar's court? The answer is Birbal was vice minister in the Akbar's court. Okay. Question 3, who was robbed? Answer is merchant was robbed. Question 4, to whom the merchant called for help? The answer is the merchant called Birbal for help. Okay, we are done with these questions. Now writing skill. A, tick the correct option. First, the merchant's house was dash. A, robbed, B, locked, C, destroyed. Answer is robbed. Second, the merchant called Birbal dash A for dinner, B to catch the thief, C to inaugurate his shop. Answer is to catch the thief. Third, what did Birbal give to all the servants? A, sticks, B, sweets, C, flowers. Answer is sticks. Fourth, the thief cut his stick short by dash. A, 2 inches, B, 3 inches, C, 4 inches. The answer is 2 inches. Okay, we are done with this. Now we'll do next question. B, fill in the blanks with the correct word. So these are the words given: servants, thief, stick, merchants, vice, Akbars. Okay. Now question 1, Birbal was a dash minister in dash court. Answer is vice and Akbar. Second, a dash house was robbed one day. Answer is merchants. Third, the merchant called Birbal to catch the dash. Answer is thief. Fourth, the merchant called his all dash in front of Birbal. Answer is servants. Fifth, Birbal gave a dash to every servant. Answer is stick. C, answer the following question. Question 1, whose house was robbed? Answer is the merchant house was robbed. Question 2, why did the merchant call Birbal? The answer is the merchant called the Birbal to catch the thief. Okay. Question 3, what did Birbal tell the servants? Answer is the Birbal told servants to assemble tomorrow with the stick he has given to them, and the stick will be 2 inches long for the thief. Okay. Question 4, could Birbal succeed in catching the thief? Answer is yes, Birbal was succeed in catching the thief. Question 5, what do you interpret by the story? The answer is we should not act hastily and foolishly. Okay. You can write these answers by yourself. Words power. A, change the following words as given in the example. Okay. Example given hai wise, wisdom. Okay. Like this we have to change. First, kind, kindness. Second, powerful, power. Third, beautiful, beauty. Fourth, ugly, ugliness. hot, hotness. Sixth, intelligent, intelligence. Seventh, just, justice. Eighth, brave, bravery. Ninth, poor, poverty. 10th, creative, creativity. B, write the opposites of the following words. First, tomorrow, today. Second, guilty, innocent. Third, night, morning. Fourth, wise, fool. Fifth, best, worst. Sixth, longer, shorter. Practice skill. Practice to write the following words in cursive. So these are the words given and you need to practice them in cursive. Okay. I'll just read these words for you all. Okay. Wise, merchant, robbed, solved, house, easily, minister, court, help. You can write them here. Okay. You can do this question by yourself. Then next we have language skill, pronouns. Read this conversation. Okay, so we need to read this conversation. We'll just read this. Tanya, where is father? Tanvi, he has gone to office. Tanya, where is mother? Tanvi, she is in the kitchen. Tanya, where are my storybooks? Tanvi, they are in the shelf. So तान्या यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस आस्क कर रही है कि फादर कहाँ पर है. तन्वी रिप्लाई करती है वो ऑफिस गए हैं. एंड तान्या ने दोबारा से पूछा मदर कहाँ है. तन्वी आंसर करती है वो किचन में है. देन तान्या पूछती है मेरी स्टोरी बुक कहाँ है. तन्वी कहती है शेल्फ पर है. ओके. He, she, they, you and I are the words that are used in place of noun. These words are called pronouns. We use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns in the sentence. So these are the words he, she, they, you, I that are used in place of noun. यानी कि noun के place पर use होते हैं. These words are called pronouns. इन्हीं को हम pronouns कहते हैं. Okay. And हम pronouns का use इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हमें बार बार noun को use ना करना पड़े. Okay. Now read aloud these sentences. Circle the pronouns and write them in given spaces. Okay. So first, I am a student. Now I. So I'll just write here. Okay. Then second, he is a famous cricketer. Now he. I'll just write it here. Then third, you are a nice girl. You. Then fourth, we are soldiers. We. Then fifth, they live in a red house. They. Then sixth, she is a nurse. You can do the remaining ones by yourself. I'll just read these sentences, okay? 7. The boys are here. 8. Give them some food. Okay? You can do this one in your practice. Okay? Communication skill. Read the following conversation and practice with your friends. Now, another new conversation is given and we have to read this conversation and practice it with our friends. Okay? So, Ankita, when do you get up in the morning? Abhilasha, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. अंकिता ने आस्क किया कि तुम कितने बजे उठती हो मॉर्निंग में. अभिलाषा कहती है 6 o'clock. Then Ankita, what is the first thing you do in the morning? Abhilasha, I go to the toilet and brush my teeth. अंकिता पूछती है सबसे पहले क्या करती हो मॉर्निंग में. अभिलाषा कहती है कि टॉयलेट जाती है एंड ब्रश करती है teeth. Okay. Then Ankita, after having a bath, what do you do? Abhilasha, I get dressed up for the school and have my breakfast. फिर अंकिता आस्क करती है कि बाथ लेने के बाद क्या करती हो? अभिलाषा बताती है मैं ड्रेसअप होती हूँ स्कूल के लिए एंड ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ. अंकिता, at what time do you return home after school? किस समय के बाद तुम अपने स्कूल से वापस आती हो? अभिलाषा, I return home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. मैं 2 बजे स्कूल के बाद आ जाती हूँ. अंकिता, what do you do after lunch? लंच के बाद क्या करती हो? अंकिता ने कहा. अभिलाषा said, after lunch I change and take rest for 2 hours. लंच करने के बाद वो चेंज करती है क्लोथ्स को एंड रेस्ट करती है 2 hours के लिए. So this is how you can do a conversation with your friend. Okay? Creative skill NEP 2020. Listen the story from your teacher and number the pictures in correct order. So you need to listen the story from your teacher and then you need to arrange them order wise. Okay? Or you need to write the numbers actually. Okay? So I'll just help you in arranging these pictures or ordering them. Okay? So the first one is this picture. Okay? Then second picture is this one. Third picture is this one. And fourth picture is this one. Okay? You can listen the story from your teacher. Okay? Color this picture of Akbar Birbal. This is art integration. Okay? So this is the picture. You need to color it with the different colors and you can do this work by yourself. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.